Tree pose or Vrksasana is a balancing pose that remains popular in modern yoga. In this super short yoga tutorial, we will go over how to properly hold tree pose at the same time that I will offer modifications to make it easier or harder. So grab your mat, take a deep breath, and let's get flowing. Tree pose is a balancing yoga asana that improves balance and stability in the legs, at the same time that it helps us practice focus and patience. Let's get into a standing position and practice the different variations of tree pose. If you are a beginner, you may keep the ball of your foot on the ground with your heel resting on your ankle. If you are intermediate, you may place it below or slightly above the knee, never against the knee joint. And if you're advanced, you may place it all the way up close to your pelvic floor against your inner thigh. Once your legs are in position, you may open your arms straight out to the side for better balance. Bring your hands to heart center. Open up in cactus, or extend your arms up to the sky. While here, draw the shoulder blades towards each other, lifting up the chest, activating your core, squeezing the glutes, and keeping your hips even. Let's review again, balancing on the right foot. Placing the left foot against the right ankle, below or above the knee, never against the knee joint, or placing all the way up close to the pelvic floor against your inner thigh. Once your legs are in position, grow your branches, extending your arms out to the side, and cactus, or extending all the way up to the sky. If you want to make it a little harder, try closing your eyes and try not to fall. And that was tree pose. Remember that practice makes perfect, so keep on practicing. Namaste.